Well, our India Today reporters across have been putting their own lives on the front lines, reporting to work every day so that we could update you. India Today's Pooja Shali too, who's tested positive for coronavirus, has now had a first-hand experience of how healthcare workers cope up with corona patients. Here's her complete account of what she experienced.
कोई शेयरिंग नहीं करनी, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का घर में भी ध्यान रखना है, ठीक है। ये नहीं कि आप मतलब बाहर तो नहीं जा रहे हैं, लेकिन अपने आस पड़ोस के जो बच्चे हैं या अपने घर के जो बच्चे हैं उनको भी, ठीक है।
As per the UP government guidelines, hospital admission is mandatory for each COVID positive case.
While it is basic, it is actually a good quality, good standard room. One main bed, one attendant bed and a window. I had my own bed sheet. I had something to color, sketch, just to spend my time. ACs are not allowed, air conditioning, but I was given a separate fan.
This is how days were spent in an isolation ward as a COVID patient in the super speciality pediatric hospital, the PGI Noida.
So what does one get as the first meal to eat? Today I've got dalia and I have an egg, banana, and there's also a paratha with some achar. Now this basically, remember, is primarily for proteins because immunity has to be strong.
Time in isolation was spent sketching till lunch arrived. Basic lentils, rice and vegetables. Evenings were spent gazing out the window, followed by a cup of tea. Through these days, the hard work of healthcare workers was a display. As fresh COVID results came negative, a brief interaction with the staff members was an eye-opener. Sunita has been residing at the hospital premises for the last 3 months, and her day is spent serving food to patients. This healthcare worker hasn't met her family in weeks.
परिवार से नहीं मिले 3 महीने
परिवार से मिले हैं जब बीपी मतलब हमारा टेस्ट हो गया, सैंपल चला गया, इसके बाद में परिवार से मिले। अगर हम अपना हिम्मत नहीं बांधेंगे तो उनको केयर कैसे कर पाएंगे? वो तो केयर करना जरूरी है।
Supervising movement of items, Naresh is ensuring basic requirements are immediately taken care of.
14 days कर करके शिफ्ट में ड्यूटी कर रहे हैं और 14 दिन काम करने के बाद हमको क्वारंटाइन मिलता है। फिर उसके बाद में हम दोबारा अपनी ड्यूटी पे आ जाते हैं। थोड़ी सी परेशानी होती है, लेकिन हमें इसकी कोई चिंता नहीं है। हमें मरीजों की चिंता है कि हमारे मरीज हमसे संतुष्ट होकर जाएं।
The hospital in charge has created a WhatsApp group so patients can make requests without any direct contact with the staff.
पीपीई किट पहन के जब बहुत मुश्किल आती है, गर्मी बहुत है, यहाँ एसी भी नहीं होता है, तो हमारे कल तो 2-3 जो है स्टाफ हमारे यहाँ फेंट हो गए, लेकिन हम अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश करते हैं कि पेशेंट को मेडिसिन से कोई दिक्कत ना होने पाए, उसके हेल्थ से कोई प्रॉब्लम ना आने पाए।
I am a COVID survivor who was tested positive in contact tracing some days ago. I was then admitted into a government hospital, which I was very tensed about because there's a certain image. But what I saw here was the work of healthcare workers away from their families in this PPE kit, which has no ventilation, working for us to ensure that you and I stay safe. And I'm leaving happily to go back to my family with these forms that I'm now going to sign. And I'm going to go to my room, pick up my bags. But I just wanted to let you know that many of these staff members are not returning to their family anytime soon. They are taking care of all the rising cases, over 500 cases in Noida, Gautam Budh Nagar. And it is hopeful that their work will be appreciated as well. Signing off as a COVID survivor, Pooja Shali for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.